In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check RAM on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings. To do that, just swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap at that gear. On Settings, we are looking for the option Device Care. Just keep scrolling down until you find it. Then just tap on it to get into it. And that's where you will find the option Memory. In here, we can check all the information about our current memory on that particular device. Here we can see that my phone has total 8 GB of memory, of actually RAM memory installed, and 3.4 GB are available now. Also here down below we can check how much RAM space is taken by a particular application. We can hit at View More to get some extra information. And also here it says that we can clean 1.5 GB of RAM simply by tapping right here at this button. That will finish some processes that are currently running in the background, so that's how we can easily clean up some RAM on our device. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.